Last month, the Minsk Zoo in Belarus played host to an inspiring event that brought smiles, joy, and hope to many. The annual inclusive festival, We Need Each Other, took center stage, aiming to support people with disabilities and their loved ones.
Among the festival's many attractions, the Health Country Quest captured the hearts of both children and adults. This interactive journey through the 8 basic principles of health offered valuable lessons in a fun and engaging way. Participants discovered how simple, everyday habits could enhance their physical and emotional well-being. The quest concluded with each person selecting a meaningful memento, reinforcing the day's lessons. A familiar and beloved presence at the festival was ADRA, the Adventist Development and Relief Agency. Their volunteers spread cheer, handing out balloons, toys, popcorn, and ice cream to delighted attendees. Sergei Archipenko, director of ADRA in Belarus, received a heartfelt thank you for the organization's unwavering support for people with disabilities.
The festival was more than just a day of fun. It was a testament to what happens when a community comes together with a shared purpose. May the spirit of this festival inspire all of us to keep our hearts open and responsive to those in need.